It was one summer's afternoon while I was soaking up the sunshine, when I heard a thump only 10 foot away from me. I looked to see what it was. I could see a little bird lying on the floor. The little wild bird looked like it had broken its legs and couldn't move. I immediately called my husband, and he came and picked up the little cute bird. I asked him to kill it and put it out of pain. He said no and carried the injured bird into his office and cared for it by putting the bird in a little box. We could see the little bird could not walk, and its legs kept splitting apart. Simon told me that he prayed to God for its recovery. After 3 hours, Simon left it in his office. On return, we found the little bird had not only recovered, but had flown onto the door window ledge. Simon called us and told us the cute little wild bird had recovered. Watch Simon let the bird fly off in the garden.
Let's go.
This bird this morning dropped out of the sky and we thought it was dead. Simon's prayed for it and loved it, and now it's time to let it go. Let's go over that bit. Good luck, little birdie. You gonna go? Wow.
Beautiful, come closer.
However, what happened was lovely and amazed us. The little wild bird became Simon's friend.
Who could do that?
The bird would fly off.
He's alright.
Oh, Simon, he's there. Oh, he's well. Oh, Simon, he's gorgeous. You're not going to upset you, little boy. You fell out this morning and your leg was all bent, and now look at you. Then hop back onto Simon's finger. We had never seen a wild bird become so friendly.
One little step.
Even letting Simon stroke it. The wild bird seemed to be enjoying a tour around the garden. As born-again believers, we felt God was showing us what all his wild animals will be like when he restores the world back to paradise, and where there will never again be any more suffering or pain, dying or killing. We look forward to seeing the day when the wolf also shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid, and the calf and the young lion and the fatling together, and a little child shall lead them. Isaiah 11:6. Dear friends, will you be there?
Give us this bread. I am the bread of life. Those who come to me will never be hungry. Those who believe in me will never be thirsty. Now I told you that you have seen me, but will not believe. Everyone whom my Father gives me will come to me. I will never turn away anyone who comes to me, because I have come down from heaven to do not my own will, but the will of him who sent me. And it is the will of him who sent me that I should not lose any of all those he has given me, but that I should raise them all to life on the last day. For what my Father wants is that all who see the Son and believe in him should have eternal life. And I will raise them to life on the last day.